welcome back to my channel. I'm Maryam. In today's video, I am going to be doing a full review and tutorial of the new MAC X Patrick Starrr Destination Diva Fall Collection. I am so super proud of my patty cakes. This is his round 4 collection with MAC. Just because he is my friend, don't think that he is immune to my criticism. No sir, no ma'am. I am here to give you guys the truth. I am here to review his collection, and of course, I'm also here to provide you guys with a tutorial. So with that said, I hope you enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up if you love me. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Let's get to this MAC X Patrick Starrr collection review and tutorial. Boom. Okay, so let's get into this Destination Diva Fall Collection. We have 2 kits. The first one being Oh No She Betta Don't Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in Ultimate Diva, a beautiful warm nude. Oh, it says cool nude. Looks kind of warm to me. And also an eyeshadow quad called Sugar Mama. This kit will be $42.50. I'm gonna link it down below as soon as it becomes available. The second is Boy About Town kit, also $42.50, and it comes with Patty Pout Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick, which is a deep burgundy, also an eyeshadow quad in Overpacked. Not exactly certain just yet how much each of these eyeshadow quads will cost, but I will update the description as soon as I find out, and I'll also include the prices for these Retro Matte Liquid Lipsticks as well. Where do we want to begin? This is what the 2 eyeshadow palettes look like side by side. They are very cool colors, fall appropriate, but definitely on the cool side, which is something kind of unusual. I feel like the trend lately has been a lot of orange creases, a lot of warm burgundy creases. This is something refreshing, I would say. I'm gonna pick up Overpacked and this shadow here. Using Morphe brushes, I am just gonna apply this to my transition. Obviously my foundation is already on. Today's look is not about foundation, but if you wanna see how I did my foundation, I will link Wednesday's video up here for you guys. Patrick is very known for his pulled out sort of cat eye shape. I'm into it. I think it's very flattering on almond eyes and on Asian eyes. I'm gonna try to go for that same appeal. If you've been following me for a while, then you obviously know Patrick and I are friends. I love him dearly. He's an awesome person, super smart, brilliantly talented. He doesn't just slap his name on a shadow. So I'm gonna take that same shadow, just using the tip of this brush, Morphe M504, give myself a little bit of a shadow right here underneath. These 2 shadows seem kind of similar. They are a little bit different. One is just a little bit warmer than the other. M433 brush from Morphe. Gonna pick up this shade. Also from the Overpacked palette. This one's a really nice, pretty wine shade. Patrick taught me one thing. He said that he really likes to do the crease with the eyes open. He was doing this makeup look on a model and he had her look straight at him. I thought that was so smart. Why am I always closing my eye to do this? I don't walk around with my eyes closed to show off my eyeshadows, you know? The shadow is really nice, very, very soft and super, super blendable. This is a really, really nice crease shadow. I love that it's just a hint of burgundy, but it's kind of cool and plummy. So it looks very neutral, but it's a lot more interesting than neutral. Okay, patty cakes. Yeah, same shadow, outer lower lash line. Next, I am obviously looking at that green because it matches my background. So, all right, dipping my Morphe M333 brush into that green. Boom. Ooh! Hello, that pigment, wow, that's really nice, Patty. And I'm not even a huge fan of green or olive eyeshadows, but this is serious. Just a pinch fallout with this eyeshadow. Also, there's some gold flecks in it. I'm gonna try to carefully place it onto my lid, blending in with that purple. I am personally ready for fall. Just the colors and the fashion. Don't get me wrong, summer season is my favorite season. It is the best season. And of course, as soon as fall comes, I am gonna wish for summer. This is really nice. I am really digging this eyeshadow. And I feel like it would be perfect for like a fall sort of date. So now I'm gonna go into the Overpacked Shadow, pick up a little bit of this dark plummy gray. I'm just gonna add a little bit of that to the outer corner, just a pinch. Really wanna test out all the shadows. I want to see how they lay. I want to see how they blend into each other. So far, so good. So far, I'm really, really impressed. What I'm gonna do next is take this Flower Beauty liner called Bronze Out. I'm gonna line my waterline and my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna blend it out just a little bit. So now, I'm gonna try a little bit of this taupe shadow from the Sugar Mama palette, and I'm gonna pack a little bit of that onto the inner portion of my lower lash line. And I'm also gonna extend this inner corner, kind of in a patty style. So basically I'm lifting this outer corner and I'm lowering the inner corner. I don't do this all the time because I feel like my eyes are already shaped that way, but sometimes it's nice to play it up. Do you see what I mean? So now I'm gonna test out this shade. It's really pretty golden peachy, and I'm gonna apply it right underneath the brow arch for some sparkle and for some definition. And for the inner corner, I'm gonna add just a smidge. For this look, I do wanna add some liner. I'm gonna go for my current favorite, which is the BALM Schwing Liner. So now for the lips. I think this is gonna be just a little too Christmassy. I'm definitely gonna test out this Ultimate Diva liquid lip. I actually have Patrick's Mahogany lip liner from round 1 of his collab with MAC. That is what I'm gonna use to line my lippies. I don't know, some people say that outlining the lips is tacky, but I disagree. I actually think it's quite retro. If Marilyn could do it, so can Maryam. If Patrick can do it, so can the rest of the world. Whew. So now I'm gonna try that Ultimate Diva liquid lip color. That is pretty. I'm gonna curl my lashes just a bit. Let's apply some mascara. I am using the BALM Cosmetics Scuba waterproof liner, which I will link down below along with all the products that I am using in this video. I do like this one because the wand is super tiny, so perfect for my little lashes. Also, it's waterproof, so I'm not gonna get any smears. Now for lashes, I'm gonna use Love Lashes Saucey Lashes. While I wait for those little bad boys to dry, I'm gonna apply this FENTY liner on my lower lash line, and I'm gonna apply it in my infamous twiggy fashion. Okay, this is a really pretty matte sort of look that I am gonna jazz up with just a little bit of bronzer. This is from Patrick's Summer Collection. I'm gonna use a little bit of this really bronzy Iconic London spray. To top it off, I'm gonna take this highlighter, also from Patrick's Summer Collection, and I'm gonna add it on the very tops of my cheekbones, right underneath that cat eye shadow. Woo! And also maybe a little bit on that forehead, and on the nose bridge, and on the chin. I do wanna amplify this look just a little bit. I'm gonna use this heavy metal glitter liner from Urban Decay called Glam Rock. So I'm gonna sporadically add a little bit of that glitter to the center of this lid, just for a little sparkle. I'd say that's a pretty fire makeup look. Thank God I have plans tonight, so I can no longer say, I wish I was going somewhere. I actually am going somewhere. Boom. Ooh, yes. Ooh, so hot. Clean off my hands, but I got nothing. Cause I'm fabulous, honey. Oh gosh, is that an eye booger? I hate eye boogers. Thank you guys so much for watching and for subscribing. Congratulations, Patrick. I love your collection. Destination Diva is where I want to be at right now. Check out some of my videos right here. If you like this sort of thing, I have plenty more to share with you guys. I'll see you in the next one.